we are going to talk about one's reflection or the lesson he have learned. I'm Daisy Madriaga Crual. I'm your host for today. We have heard a guest that will share the lesson he have learned during playing Sipak Takraw under intramurals at their school. Let's welcome Mr. Dennis Moraleda. A round of applause, please.
Nice meeting you, Miss Daisy.
Nice to meet you too, Mr. Moraleda. Okay, Mr. Moraleda, we have some question regarding about your experience in your sports. Okay, Mr. Moraleda, how was your experience during playing Sipak Takraw?
It's fun and memorable because I met new friends and we have a great time together to playing sepak takraw.
Another question is, what do you feel when you learn that you're playing on finals?
The feeling I had when my teammates and I competed in the final was nerve-wracking, but it was also exhilarating because we were able to keep up with other talented teams.
Third question is, how the feeling of not getting the gold medal was?
I felt sad when we didn't get the gold, but it's okay because we tried our best and fought hard.
For the last question is, how will you define companionship?
For me, companionship is having someone or friend that you can rely on that will never rely on whether you win or lose on your every fight or game that you play.
Thank you for that wonderful and inspiring answer, Mr. Dennis Moraleda.
Thank you so much for having me here.
That's all for today's episode. Once again, I am Daisy Madriaga Crual, your host for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.